This is Candy from Auto Refrigeration. Today I'm going to introduce our air-cooled grill chiller. Behind me, it is the model ACL1800Y. Cooling capacity is 528 kilowatts, equals 150 tons. It is designed for outdoor installation. It is very easy and simple to install and operate. You only need to connect the power and water pipes. Then set the target water temperature, and the chiller will run automatically and until the water temperature achieves the set point. So users can use the cold water directly or use with terminals like fan coil units, air handling units to supply air cooling. And this model I will introduce is to cool the water temperature at the lowest at 5 degrees centigrade. It is used for cooling meat in a slaughter processing. Next, let me introduce more on the chiller. Now I am standing in front of this side of the chiller, and you can see the size is quite big, about 5 meter length, and the depth is 2 meter, and the height is 2.5 meter. Let us see the cabinet. The cabinet is made of galvanized steel with powder-coated plating. It can prevent corrosion during outdoor installation. In the upside, there are fans and condensers. On the top, there are 8 motor fans. We use axial fans. It is energy saving with low power consumption, but with good heat exchange. Under the fans, there are condensers, copper tube in aluminum fins, air heat exchanger. And these fins are made of aluminum hydrophilic frame. What's more, we designed the condenser on V shape. The V shape, it is a common structure we designed for our chillers. It can not only save much installation space, but it can improve the efficiency of heat exchange. In the downside, there are compressors, evaporator, and control systems. You can see the layout is very clear and the structure is very convenient for maintenance. Each part is connected with the copper pipes. Inside the copper pipes, there is refrigerant. We can see the compressors are located in a line, but it is in parallel design. We use 8 Beezer screw compressors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we cannot see that one. We use 8 pieces of Beezer screw compressors, R410A. Although we use 8 pieces of compressors, but we designed 2 compressors in parallel to compose 1 refrigeration circuit. And for example, these 2 compressors compose 1 refrigeration circuit. So in this chiller, there are 4 refrigeration circuits. Now I am standing in another side of the chiller, so you can see our evaporator. We use copper tube in shell type. So you can see the water connection in this side, water inlet and water outlet. Also in this downside, besides compressors and the evaporator, there are other parts, such as Emerson dryer filter, Johnson controlled water flow switch, and the Danfoss expansion valve, and so on. Now I am standing in another side of the chiller. Okay, so you can see our electric control system. You can see there are 2 doors to install all the electric parts for this chiller, and on the 2 sides there are pressure gauges. You can see the high and low pressure. We designed double doors actually, and I have the key to open the door and prevent from safety. Okay, let's open the door. And I will show you on the right side of the door. Okay, you can see inside. So the first door is to protect the touch screen here. This touch screen is with very friendly interface and very easy to operate. And then let's open the second door. So you can see inside there are some electric parts here. First light, there the power battery. It is to supply the made power to drive all the electric parts in the electric box. And then you can see that it is the PLC. It is the brain of the chiller. It means that it's very important and the most important part of the electric control system. The PLC can collect and transfer all the information and signals to the chiller. And you also can see here we use a series of the contactor and relay. These are 8 pieces. These are for the fan motors. Okay, so the brand we use, it is Schneider brand. It is a very reliable and historical French brand. And also there are some terminal box. It can connect other signal wires. What the electric parts in the left door. In this door, also the double door design. Okay. And you can see also the Schneider brand for the contactor and the relay. And there's also the 8 pieces of the contactor and the relay. These are for compressor. This time the layer can protect the compressors. I mean that it made the compressor start better and it can protect the whole electric circuit. Above all, the PLC program is developed and designed by our own selves. What's more, the chiller can provide so the many the necessary protection, such as the overload protection, overcurrent protection, and over temperature large difference protection, and so on. It means that the chiller not only can protect itself, but also can save so much human source and money on after sales. So when you set the target water temperature on the interface, say for example the 15 degrees centigrade, the chiller will run automatically until the water temperature achieves the set point. Thank you for watching our air-cooled chiller ACL1800Y 528 kilowatt. If you would like to learn more, just contact us. Of course, if you have any details about the project and just talk to us, we will offer you the proposal for free and provide customized service as per your kinds of requirements. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.